Welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittney Bundles, and today's video is going to be an unboxing video. Today I'm going to be unboxing phone cases from the company ZVE Club. I'm going to go ahead and put their name across the screen. I also want to thank them for sponsoring this video and for sending out phone cases. If you are interested in seeing what kind of cases I got, be sure to give the video a big thumbs up. Please make sure that you are subscribed, and let's get right into the video. So like I mentioned, I was sent phone cases by ZVE, and they are a cell phone case carrier. I do have the iPhone 14 Pro Max. If you want to watch my review video on that, I will have that link down below. I'll also have their links down below this video as well, in case you're interested in purchasing any of the cases that you see me unbox. This company is on Amazon, so you can literally go to Amazon and type in ZVE and pull up the cases that they offer. You can also click the links like I mentioned down below this video if you do see a case that you're interested in, or if you want to browse and see what other cases they offer. I was contacted by this company, and the company had great customer service. Anytime I sent over a question, they were very prompt with their response. It was just a real seamless interaction with them, and I love to put that information in my videos because I want you all to know how my interaction was on the customer service side as well, in case you do decide to reach out to this company. So communication was great, very professional, very prompt. I don't have any unanswered questions. Shipping was really fast. Like I mentioned, they're on Amazon, so you already know how that goes with Amazon shipping. I absolutely love it. So let me go ahead and unbox these cases. So this is what the cases came in initially, brown like envelope. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. Now, what's special about these cases are that they are wallet cases. So I love wallet cases because I like the ability to be able to go into different stores and not have to carry my bag with me if I don't want to, especially now. I just had a newborn. I love her so much. I'm super excited to just do literally everything with her. And I have some videos on this channel with her too. So take a look at those videos if you're interested. But I bring that point up to say, sometimes carrying a newborn diaper bag, your bag, it could be a lot. Like, it literally can be a lot, and it can just feel overwhelming sometimes. So the cell phone cases with the wallets and also like the carryover straps makes it so much more convenient, in my opinion, because you're able to carry your phone, which is like a necessity these days, and then you're able to have your cards with you. You need access to money, and you're able to kind of be hands-free by using the straps. So I love wallet cases, FYI. So this is what it looks like inside of the envelope when I open it up. I'm gonna go ahead and pull out the first one. So it says ZVE. The box is really cute. It says original and handmade. I didn't know that they were handmade. So on the back it says iPhone 8 Pro Max wallet beige, made in China. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. So this is what it looks like when you open it up. Oh, it looks so pretty. Here's the strap. Look how nicely everything is wrapped. So if you don't want to wear the crossbody strap like over you, you can also just wear like the wristlet, which I've done too sometimes. Let me go ahead and open the strap just so we can see everything. I really like how everything is neatly packaged. I wish I had my scissors sitting by me, but I'm gonna try to use my nails, make some good use out of them. Okay. So here's what the strap looks like. I love this beige color. It is so neutral. Looks really, really nice. And I love the gold accents as well. And then here's a close-up of like the wristlet portion. Gold accent, beige color. The case itself comes in like this nice bag. This bag says ZVE, original and handmade. Super cute. And this case is pretty. So it has the same gold detailing that the wristlet and also the strap has. And it's really just like a nice casual, and you can also look at this as like a dressy case too. Super cute. So this is what it looks like with my phone inside of the case. This is what it looks like up to my ear. I like it so much. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and open up the back. So I unzipped it, and this is what's inside. And then you have your wallet portion with also a card inside. It says RFID blocking, so contactless blocking card. Protect your private information from unauthorized scans. So I'm kind of wanting to keep this in here. Let me keep this in here because I don't want any unauthorized scams. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It has a pouch right here. Put your credit cards, driver's license, or anything that you want to right there as far as like a card wise. And then there's also 2 more slots on this side for you to put your cards in, and a slot on this side. And you can also put a card in this too. So there's some good space in here. And I'm gonna go ahead and clamp on the strap as well as the wristlet for this case. Well, yeah. So for the wristlet, I'm gonna strap it on here, but you can go ahead and clamp it on here. This is where I believe it's supposed to go. But just for the sake of the video, I'm gonna clamp it on here, and then I'm also gonna clamp on the straps. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and strap on the straps right here at the bottom. Okay, there we go. So here's what it looks like. And then you can go ahead and just, ooh, got stuck on my lip for a moment. You can go ahead and just wear it sideways like that and have the phone hanging on the side of you. Or you can go ahead and wear it just like a bag where you just have it like going over your shoulder. For me, I kind of like, let me see if this is on the last clamp. It is. I kind of like it hanging on the side of me. I just think it's really cute that way, and it just feels most comfortable. But that's what I was saying when I was referencing in the beginning of the video, the convenience of these cases. They're cute, they're stylish, and you don't have to be like, you're able to be hands-free. You don't have to hold your phone with a case. Like the other cases I have, they're not wallet cases. So I'm carrying my phone, or I'm putting my phone in my purse, and then, you know, my wallet, and then my bag, and, you know, diaper bag, and my baby, and just other things too. This just makes it so much easier to go ahead and carry. I like it a lot. And if you wanted to wear the strap with the wristlet with the straps, you can do so by just attaching the wristlet here, or you can go ahead and take the straps off and attach the wristlet down here. It just really depends on your personal preference. So that's what the first case looks like. I'm really satisfied. The second case is in here, and it is packaged the same way. I also got pretty much like a receipt in here. So it gives me like the order number, my order ID. These are the 14 Pro Max wallet case crossbodies. So just in case you're interested in ordering, you know what to search or what to look for. Okay, so if you've been following this channel, you know my favorite color is pink. Although I'm probably gonna wear the beige case a lot more than the pink one, just because the beige goes with more. But I love pink, and this one is pink. So let me go ahead and open this one up. I love this pink too. It's just like a metallic pink in a way. It's like, well, I don't even want to, no. How can I just look at it? It kind of is like a metallic pink. And it also has the gold details. So I like this, really cute. And I hope the camera is doing it justice. I hope you can really see like the shimmer in the pink. At first I didn't know if I wanted to call it like metallic or shimmery, but it is kind of metallic. So yeah, it's really cute. It's a cute pink. I can vouch for it. Here is the strap or the wristlet with gold details as well. Comes packaged nicely in the same bag. And here's the phone case. Soft on the inside. Also, this case doesn't feel cheap. It definitely feels like it will protect my phone if it drops. Like it's pretty sturdy. It's not collapsing when I apply pressure. It's definitely a quality case. Now, of course, I haven't, you know, this is the first time I'm unboxing it, so I haven't dropped my phone in the case, and I pray that I don't drop my phone in any case. But this one does feel really sturdy. So on top of it looking nice, on top of it being stylish, on top of it being very practical and, you know, allowing you to be hands-free and carry your credit cards or driver's license and, you know, different things like that, it's a good case. Like, it literally feels like it will protect your phone. And even this case, it fits my phone perfectly. I don't have to, you know, like really squeeze the phone in there to make it fit. The buttons fit like they're supposed to for the size. So it's a really good quality made case. And I did not know these were handmade, so that's probably why the quality is so nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and unzip the back of the wallet case. Okay, so that's what it looks like. It has the same card inside, and then it has the slots. So remember, this part opens and this part opens, and then you have the 2 slots here and the 2 slots here. And I'm gonna go ahead and put my phone in this case and see what it looks like. Okay, so here's this case, super cute too. Just showing you all what it looks like up to my ear. Sometimes I wanna know like what the phone case looks like up to an ear. That's just me, so I'm sure there's someone else out there that likes that too. So that's why I'm giving you like a visual of what the case looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and attach the straps. And I'm gonna do this one just like I did the other one. Like, just attach the straps at the bottom and then attach the wristlet to the top of the case. And you can also make the strap longer by choosing a different hole. So you can wear it over your shoulder like a purse, or you can also wear it like a crossbody, which is how I'm probably gonna wear the case. Just like that. It's very comfortable. All right, so I'm gonna also clamp on this. And here's what it looks like. So I like it a lot. Thank you, ZVE, for sending these cases. I am definitely going to be wearing these, especially now it's Vlogmas season, so I'm going to be vlogging, and this is gonna make it so much easier being able to have my phone literally right on me because I vlog a lot of the times from my phone. So thank you so much for sending these cases. I really enjoy them. If you all like these cases, remember the links are gonna be down below. I do want to thank you all for watching. If you have any questions, leave your questions down below as well. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye.